Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Secret to Invest, bringing you back another freaking YouTube video. Look, man, first thing first, man, I'm gonna say, if you like the video, man, please like and subscribe, guys. It's free and it helps me grow my channel, guys. And look, man, I know it's late. I know it's late. Your boy early woke up and, it was a long day at work. So, I got up to make this quick and fast video for y'all, man. I got y'all. But look, man, update on my portfolio. I bought Cisco Palantir. Wait, what? No, I bought Cisco option call, and right now I'm up 8%. And the reason why I bought it was because Cisco is about to come out with earnings, and I hold Cisco. So y'all know, I have faith in my own prediction, in my own research. So I believe Cisco is gonna beat expectations and beat EPS. Second, I bought the video calls, and for some reason, bro, I don't know why. I just had a feeling because this stock just keeps going at the highs, at the highs, and at the highs. And then I found a good spot to buy this stock. I bought this stock when it hit 714, man. 714 or 716. Somewhere around this area right here. I bought the stock at 716 or 715, and ever since then, man, your boy was up at least like 40 or 50% in this call. So I feel like if CPI is good, this stock can probably go back to 740s, 730s. And with that, I'm going to just take some quick profits and I'm going to exit my trade. And also, we still have the Palantir calls. And it's crazy, bro. Palantir, bro, no cap, man. It's crazy how Palantir just keeps rallying to 25, bro. It went from 23.40, 23.05, close to 22, and it just rallies back up to 25. At some point, we hit 52-week high at the 25.42, bro. That's crazy, man. And I was thinking about selling my freaking option calls. I'm not gonna lie, but I have faith that it's gonna rally back over 25 and probably to 26. And probably I might sell this stock, or sorry, not sell this stock, but sell this option call at 26 because I don't know, like I feel like that's gonna be a huge wall blocking us from passing that 26 strike. But I have faith in Palantir, so let's see what happens. But look, man, right here, Palantir was at 23.85, bro, and they just, bro, it rallies all the way to $25.40, bro. That is crazy. But guys, we do have CPI coming out later today, or sorry, tomorrow when I upload this, later tomorrow. And people say that there's gonna be a huge downtrend, a huge bear market tomorrow. But me personally, man, I feel like we are just gonna keep rallying and we're gonna keep rallying. Me personally, bro, I don't believe in shorting stocks because at the end of the freaking day, bro, stocks on this year or on 2023, man, has been rallying nonstop. So if you short a stock, you are crazy to short a stock. Let's say, for example, if you short Nvidia, you're crazy for shorting Nvidia. If you short, like, for example, Apple, like, bro, SPY runs all the big techs. So if SPY rallies, all the other big techs rally with it. And you are crazy for shorting any type of big stock, like for Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia. And people were saying that now we're in this bubble where it's ready to pop. But at the same time, bro, it's like every year, bro, people talk about, oh, the freaking market has to breathe soon. It has to pull back. And me personally, bro, I learned my lesson on talking like that. And your boy lost like a couple $100, but at the same time, I made that money back. But I learned my lesson that not all the times, bro, the market is gonna pull back. I mean, sooner or later, it's gonna pull back. But I feel like we are gonna have a bad indication or like a heads up before that market pulls back. It's not just gonna pull back the next market open. Like, you had to have a bad, like, let's say for example, a bad fundamental for SPY to pull back, like 5 or 10%, and it could happen. But at the same time, you at least get a heads up about that bad fundamental, which probably tomorrow it could be the CPI, because CPI is coming out, and people are having doubts on CPI that it's gonna be expectation or it's gonna be in line with expectation, and they are basically saying, which is the Wall Street investors are saying, if it meets expectation or in line with expectations, the market is gonna drop. And in my opinion, I doubt it, bro. But I mean, who knows? I'm just a retail investor. I don't know much about the markets. I don't have no, you know, people working for me or basically hired for me. You know what I mean? Like, I'm a retail investor. I do my own research. So that's that. But yeah, man, your boy is over $8,000, bro. We're back to basically what we started. And also, guys, your boy is about to break even on the first day he started trading. The first day I started trading, man, was right here, man. I 8,208, bro. All the money I lost, I'm gaining it back. That's crazy. And then the year to date, which is this year, I'm up right now 13%. 13%, bro. Like, that's crazy. This month, I'm up 17. This 3 months, almost 10%. This week, 13%. Like, bro, markets are going stupid. So if you're not making money in this market this month, I don't know what to tell you, man. I hope we all make money, guys. You know what I mean? But look, man, that's it for the video, guys. Take care, and I'll see y'all tomorrow, guys. Peace.